Hello guys, this is Sam. Welcome to my video tutorial. Right now, this is a quick way to make 135% gain on your EOS. Right, so it's just a game called King of EOS where you have to claim a throne, and let's assume you can claim a throne with $1, one EOS rather. Someone else can dethrone you with 1.35 EOS, right? Alright, as you can see, when a new person becomes king, the higher price he paid will go to the previous king. Alright, so making the previous king a big profit of 30%. Look, it's actually 30%, not 35%. Alright, so that means you can become a king. You can start with one EOS to become a king, and then someone else will have to pay an amount greater than 1.35 greater than what you paid to dethrone you. Right, it's looking like a pyramid scheme, but it's just a game. So if you remain a king for 7 days, if no one can dethrone you for 7 days, that means you automatically become the king forever. Right, that kingdom will be yours forever. All right, so is I don't know, is it worth trying? You guys can read more about it. I'll drop a link to this write up and a link to how to create the account. Okay, first of all, you need to have an EOS account, and then you have to have scatter installed in your browser, like I do right here, and then you just go straight to the website to create the account. All right, so this is King of EOS. All right, so these are different. Should I call them kingdoms right now? This guy Rect is on Twitter, right? So the first thing you need to do, of course, I'm assuming you already have SCADA installed already, so you just need to log into your SCADA and put your password if you have a password like I do. Alright, then unlock. Alright, so want to claim. Alright, so claiming right now will cost this amount of EOS. I guess I'm trying this for the first time. Alright, so King of EOS, an account. Okay, let me just try. I don't know if it has to be 12 characters. Name of kingdom. So alright, so I just picked an account name, a kingdom name, and I dragged and dropped a picture. Alright, which could also be called a flag. Is a flag right here, but it's time to claim. I currently don't have $1812 EOS rather to claim this throne, but assuming I claim this with this amount, that means the previous king will gain 30% from this, right? And if I claim this, and if someone wants to and dethrone me, the person will have to pay something higher, and I'll gain 30% from this. So that means if I claim this, I'm going to gain about 500 EOS gain. That means I'll gain extra 500. That's about 2,000 plus EOS for claiming this. But I currently have up to 1,800 EOS. But let me just try and click claim and see how it goes. Alright, so it's requesting use my identity and select and accept. Once I do that, let's see what it says when you don't have sufficient balance. Alright, so this is it. Quantity of EOS to EOS of EOS King of EOS. So, and I'm not going to accept that because I don't have any of that amount of EOS. But basically, once I accept that this amount, assuming I have this amount of EOS, it leaves my account, and if someone else comes to claim that throne, I'm going to gain extra 500 EOS. All right, so I think it's looking like a pyramid scheme, but it's just a game.